Hello and welcome again to TNV Academy. My name is Devarshika and today I'm going to talk about how organizations can achieve continuous improvement in their anti-bribery management system ABMS under ISO 37001. Continuous improvement ensures that the organization's anti-bribery efforts remain effective, up-to-date, and aligned with evolving risks and regulations. The importance of continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is a core principle of ISO 37001. It helps organizations adapt to changing internal and external environments. By regularly enhancing the anti-bribery system, organizations can better prevent, detect, and address bribery risks. Monitoring and measurement. One way to ensure continuous improvement is through regular monitoring and measurement of the ABMS. Conduct periodic review of policies, procedures, and controls to assess their effectiveness. Use metrics and data to identify gaps or areas requiring enhancement. For example, track the number of training sessions conducted or incidents reported and resolved. Internal and external audits. Internal audits play a vital role in identifying weaknesses in the system. Conduct audits at regular intervals to evaluate compliance with anti-bribery policies. Follow up with corrective actions to address non-conformities. Additionally, external audits can provide an unbiased assessment of your ABMS. Management reviews. Top management must actively participate in the improvement process. Conduct regular management reviews to evaluate the ABMS performance. Use insights from audits, risk assessments, and feedback to make informed decisions about necessary changes. Employee training and awareness. Continuous improvement isn't just about systems, it's also about people. Regularly update training programs to reflect new bribery risks or changes in regulations. Ensure employees are aware of their roles and responsibilities in preventing bribery. Learning from incidents and feedback. Organizations should treat bribery incidents as opportunities for learning and improvement. Investigate incidents thoroughly to identify root causes. Use this knowledge to refine policies, procedures, and controls. Encourage feedback from employees and stakeholders to identify potential blind spots in the system. Adapting to external changes. Bribery risks evolve due to changes in laws, markets, and global practices. Stay updated on regulatory developments and industry best practices. Incorporate these changes into the ABMS to ensure continued compliance and effectiveness. In summary, continuous improvement is about creating a dynamic and resilient anti-bribery management system. By consistently monitoring, auditing, training, and adapting, organizations can strengthen their defenses against bribery and build a culture of integrity. Thank you for joining us, and remember, continuous improvement is key to ethical success. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.